My name is Riaan. Work for Kernohan Engineering. Been here for 2 years. I run the fabrication department. So just do heavy fabrication on a daily basis. I'm using the Strata Airforce extractor units to help me with my welding fumes, and been using them for the last 4 months now. When I first moved into this new premises, we found it a bit of a challenge where we've done some fabrication work and the workshop was always like clogged up with fumes, and then I had a lot of staff complaining. I had a few companies came in and proposed stuff to me. So I did look at 3 other machines. I trialed them all, and at the end of the day, the Strata one was definitely standing out. It's cost efficient. The lifespan it's quite longer than all the other ones. The filter is just a couple of bolts, change it out, put a new filter in, and then off you go. As far as consumables goes for it, it is very competitive comparing to other consumables for other machines. The machine itself, it's very light and it's not as noisy. And the fact that you can drag it around you in the workshop instead of hanging it onto your welding machine and have this huge machine following all over. So that was the selling point for me. I could see it making a difference. It sucks up all the fumes, less white smoke, like that white cloud is hanging up in the air. The guys could like focus a bit more, breathe a bit better, less complaints. And it wasn't long, I bought myself 3, about 3-4 months ago, and I've been using them ever since. Safety first, like any other company. Happy staff, and then everybody is happy, and then you get stuff done. So I was just thinking like, hell man, this is a lot of money to spend on something that I can just put a fan in my roof. But now that I actually bought the machine and I've seen what the machine is doing, it's worth every penny. I highly recommend it to any other company. It's a good investment. Anybody can use it. It's a flick of 2 buttons and it's like a vacuum. That's why I call it my vacuum machine. It's got 4 wheels. You can drag it around wherever you want it. 2 buttons. As soon as you start the trigger on your welding, the machine kicks in and it just does the work for you. I mean, if you just start welding there for 5 minutes and you're used to all the smoke in front of your welding helmet and you weld with that, you can actually, like, there's a clear vision in front of you. It makes such a big difference. It sells for itself. You just need to see the machine in action. We have to look after the health and safety. And it's gonna make your life easier, trust me. You might not feel that way now. And now I got 15 guys fighting over 3 machines. I would like for each one of my welders in the workshop to have its own machine, its own setup.